What's up, stackers? It's your boy GP, tuning in with Zest Protocol and Stacking DAO, bringing you a little bit of an update on STX price action. Looks like Bitcoin got a giant pump, and we were speculating on this in the Zest Discord, just kind of planning our next targets, looking over the time frames, the stochastics, and several different other indicators, looking for confluence for the next move. But I did not cover stacks. Look at stacks. It is looking very, very, very beautiful. I think we'll start with the higher time frames and work our way down. Starting with the monthly candle. So we have how many more days until it closes? So 11 days until the monthly candle closed. If we take a look at this monthly candle, it looks like we are forming the bottom of the wick on the monthly candle here. So looking very nice. It's back in the green. It's not a red candle anymore. We got back in the green with this latest move, so that's good. This is an up close candle right here, maybe marking some type of bounce or trend reversal. Moving into the weekly time frame, look at this bullish engulfing candle. This bullish engulfing candle is serious business. Very, very big, very, very large, very huge, like Donald Trump would say, engulfing this smaller candle next to it. So looking very bullish. We got the 21 day as the outlier here. And as you see with patterns in this conversation I'm having with you right now, um, whenever the 200 is the outlier and you have the 21 and the 50 starting to bundle up, you'll often see a pump back up to the 200-day moving average to test. Getting into the smaller um, time frames like the daily looking good. Stochastics still have room to grow right here. Not quite past the 50 line yet, so we got plenty of room on the daily stochastics. We were back above the 21-day moving average, which you see we got rejected here from it. We were back above it and working our way to the 50. Once we see this 21-day moving average cross over the 50-day moving average, we could very well see that pump that we were talking about back to the 200 here. Again, the pattern repeats. You come here, and this is where it played out. So we got the bundling of the moving averages on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see right here, 21 day in red and the 50-day in blue. Once the 21 crossed the 50, we got a big pump back above the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So back above the 200 is where we start on the 4-hour. I don't look at really smaller time frames than this, but for pure speculation, we will go ahead and go into the hourly and the 15-minute. Um, this is the time, guys. It's up another 10%. It was up 10% yesterday. It's looking really, really good. This pattern could repeat and continue to go on and go berserk. Really, stacks pumps hard whenever it does pump. So again, on the 15-minute, it looks like we have gotten back above the 800-day moving average. Now, if you do not know about the 800-day moving average, I suggest you go do some research on it. It is an old school moving average, but it is a very strong one, and you will get some strong reactions from it. See here where we were violently rejected from the 800-day moving average twice. We are now back above it on the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame. Going to the 15-minute time frame here, we can kind of see that we are riding the 21-day moving average up to the upside in a rising wedge. There is a little bit of bearish div if we go and pull up the relative strength index here. You can see that on the 15-minute, pulling this to here, this is upwards, and this is a downtrend right here. So there's a little bear div on the 15-minute, so I'd expect just a little bit of a pullback. Maybe we pull back to this 200-day moving average here that we got above. Just test it for support. Here, let me see a little pullback, maybe a little 8% pullback of something. Maybe we continue to ride this 21-day and 50-day moving average up and ignore this bull dip. A lot of the times, the bigger time frames they dictate whether the moves. Even if there's a bear div on the 15-minute, it may not play out if the 4-hour wants to push or if the daily or weekly is making its push. So, not financial advice and do your own research. I am very, very bullish on stacks right now. ahead of the Genesis bond.